it. You don't have to hold it. Okay. Okay. So this is taking the slide off. This is the slide stop right here. And the way to take the slide off and clean, first you're going to double check to see if there's magazines clear. There's nothing in there. You're going to push. You're going to move the slide back to this notch. To this notch right here. And then on this side, you're going to push this little bubble right here. This little bubble right here. That is going to make this come up. Then it slides forward. Then you check out your barrel. That's it. That's a simple breakdown. And then put it back in. Put this pin here. Just careful because it could shoot back off of you. Alright. You move it back to where it was before in that position. You put the pin right back in. Yeah, don't fail me now. There you go.